Master web development with SkillBakery. Hey everyone! Ready to level up your web dev skills? Introducing SkillBakery.com premium courses starting at just $6 or 500 rupees. Sign up today and learn in-demand skill sets. Unlock your potential today at SkillBakery.com.
Hello and welcome to another exciting video. In this one, we'll see how to make JavaScript computations lazy using IteratorHelpers. In JavaScript, IteratorHelpers are now available on iterators returned by methods like array.values. Now, these helpers allow for lazy evaluation, meaning operations on array values are deferred until the values are needed. So here we have a simple example. We have created one array, and using the array.values, we will be getting the iterator from the array. So this values method that we have basically provides the iterator. Now we have the iterator. After that, we can use the iterator helper to lazily process the values. For example, I can go ahead and write one statement like this. So what we are doing is we are saying iterator.map, and then we are multiplying the value that each value that the array has with 2. So the output will be multiplied by 2. So here it will say 2, then 4, and then 6, then 8, and then 10. So now if I go ahead and execute this, that is, convert the lazy iterator back to an array to evaluate the operations, I can go ahead and do something like this. So here we have the result array now, and here we are saying array.from mapped iterator, and I can just go ahead and print this out using console.log. So let's do that, and let's save this. And here, if I open up the browser, here we have the output coming up as 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Now let's go ahead and play a bit more with this. So here we have the mapped iterator. Now I can go ahead and use this mapped iterator further. So I can go ahead and create another constant, and let's call this one as filtered iterator. So here we have the filtered iterator. Now we are working on the mapped iterator.filter method, and here we are saying the value of x is greater than 5. So whatever is greater than 5 will be printed as the result. So here you can see 6, 8, and 10 are the valid output. So I can just go ahead and now, instead of mapped iterator, I can write this filtered iterator, and here you go, we have the updated result set. Now if we have to go through the code, we can see over here like the array.values method returns an iterator object that contains the values of the array. And basically when we go with this line, it creates an iterator for the array, and this is what 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is part of that iterator. Now the iterator helper method that we have used over here, like map and filter, basically creates a new iterator where each value is the result of applying a provided function to the original iterator's value. The filter method creates a new iterator that includes only the values that pass a test implemented by the provided function, as you can see over here. Now the array.from method converts the lazy iterator back into an array, forcing the evaluation of the lazy operations. The key advantage of using iterator helpers is lazy evaluation. Now, the operations map and filter in this case are not executed immediately. Instead, they are deferred until the values are actually needed. This can be more efficient, especially with large data sets, as it avoids unnecessary computations. So to conclude, we can say that iterator helpers in ECMAScript provide a powerful way to perform lazy operations on iterators. By chaining methods like map and filter on iterators, we can create complex transformations and filters that only get applied when you actually iterate over the values. This results in more efficient and potentially more readable code.